Welcome to LanceDIY, where your house is your canvas.
Huh? What do you think? Alright guys, we're going to wrap up this lighting in here for the bathroom. Currently we got the 6 little lights up in the ceiling. We're going to run that shelving that we had here. We're going to run another 4 lights coming down. This here is our end wire that we have coming down from the ceiling. This here ties in with those lights. It's going to look like that. Bam. So, where your home is your canvas, baby. This here is another good reason for the multi-tool. All your manufacturers got them nowadays, but all you need is a good long blade, good sharp blade, and you'll be fine. But you'll be like a doctor. Dr. J. Dr. J. That's it, coming. Surprise!
It's loose if you want to pull it through.
Good? You want to run this wire? We got a drill. Poke that wire through on this side. Right here. And then I poke it through the top right here. I got it.
Here it is again.
Stop it, Libby. Give the cat permission to live here, sir. All right, Josh, you want to grab it?
Yeah. Got it.
Good. Good. All right, guys, we got all our holes drilled. We're gonna put 4 lights, 1, 2, 3, 4, we got to create a gap right here so that way we can let the wire sit there. Hopefully that's big enough gap. Oh, thank God. That would have sucked.
Oh, it's like, oh no.
Is that big enough? Is that big enough? That's what happens when you create. Mistakes do happen, people. Alright. You'll have to get... Just pop them in? Hell yeah. See? Well, bam! Well, bam! How cool is that? So much fun. Oh, dude, this is like an electrical dream.
Look at that.
And then there's a gasket on there too, so it's 100% tight. 100%.
Yeah, there's an O-ring in there.
Yeah,
Look at that. So you got 10 of them for $100?
I think something like that. Then you got packages, you know, obviously if you want to do something.
Yeah,
Literally, dude, you can put these,
that's really...
I can surround my fence, my backyard. Like they got, you know, like 300 lights or... Alright people, we got the lights in. As you can tell, we got 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. I kept the lights as far out as possible because I want the light to come out here and not hit the back. I think that's a good thing to do. This here, little tip, you want to keep that a 3/4 inch gap, not 1/2 inch. If you don't have 3/4, it's not going to have enough space for that. Alright guys, I made a little mistake here. What's going on is I had to rework the wiring. I had to put an extension from up here to go down here so that way I can pull these out, disconnect it so I can drill my tile and put it back up. So that's what I'm doing here. I have to. Otherwise, I won't have a solid tile at the top. It'll look stupid. So what will happen is this here, I'll be able to pull this down just like this. Pull these 2 down just like that so that way I can access this and disconnect it. So that's what you're watching right now. It was a mistake. Luckily it was caught early on, so I remedied it. Fixed. And that way, I can pull this guy, pull down on it, pull on and get to that. And that way I can pull it apart, drill my hole for the tile, set my tile, put my light back in place. Alright guys, I'm cutting a hardy board for the bathroom for the tile. That's what I decided to go with. There's a lot of good systems out there, but this is the one I felt like it's pretty good. I like it overall, good product. We can do a product comparison maybe on a different video because there's a lot out there. But what I'm doing with the hardy board, I'm cutting it with my grinder. I got this blade on here. It's a concrete blade right here. It'll walk right through it real easy. Only thing about doing it this way, it's very dusty, but I know I'm going to cut it clean, and it'll be nice and easy to do it. So it is dusty. My philosophy is, with the LED technology that's out there today and the light bulbs, why not put some different colors into your house? You can have a lot of fun with it. I have a blast with it. Then the white, of course, looks good. Now, the other advantage of doing this is that it's just got an overall nice blend of splash of light. You got the 6 lights above the tub, you got the 4 over here on the shelf, and it's complete splash, 100%, which is something that I always try to achieve for lighting. Purple. So, thanks for watching, guys.